So let's look at one specific example of applying the geometric series formula. So let's say we have the geometric series given by 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 and so on and so forth, infinitely long series. And we don't know what that equals. So if we add all these numbers, what are we going to get? So in order for us to use algebra, let's give this quantity that we're adding over a name. So let's give the right hand side of this equation a name, and in this case we're going to choose the letter S to indicate this sum. Alright, so let's just rewrite the equation here. So we have 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 dot dot dot, all that equals S. So now in order to find S, let's do a little trick here. Let's multiply both left and right hand sides by 1/2. And if you notice, 1/2 is the ratio between consecutive numbers here. If I multiply 1 by 1/2, I get 1/2. Multiply 1/2 by 1/2, I get 1/4. 1/4 times 1/4. 1/4 times 1/2 gives me 1/8, and so on. And you see that all these numbers are getting shifted one to the right. On the right hand side, I do get S divided by 2. Now, let's subtract the bottom equation from the top equation. So if I subtract these equations, note that there will be a lot of cancellations. This 1/2 cancels, the 1/4 cancel, 1/8 cancel, and all the terms will cancel, and all I'm left with is 1. So 1 is equal to S minus S over 2. Now I'm looking for S, so I can combine the two terms on the right, so 1 equals S over 2, or simply S equals 2. So the sum of the numbers 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 and so on is equal to 2.